Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today I'm going to show you how to wire a gallery wrapped canvas. You're going to need a few things: a pencil and a tape measure, some pliers and some wire cutters, and then you'll need, of course, the wire for the painting, the brackets that hold the wiring in place, a couple of screws, and some aluminum crimping sleeves. And I'll put links to all of these items in the description below. You also want to make sure you're working on a soft surface because your artwork is going to have to be facing down. I'm using an old towel here. What's not pictured here is just a basic power drill. So first, we're going to just measure in the top fourth or so of the painting. So there's no right or wrong way to do this. You can basically, as long as you're in the top fourth anywhere, you'll be fine. So I install my hanging hardware on the inside so that somebody can hang it on the wall and it will be flush with the wall. If you put the hardware on the outside of the frame, on the back, sometimes it can sort of bow outwards a little bit depending on how the person hangs it. So this is just my way of avoiding that. I'm just installing that hardware on both sides, and I will say, please, please, please be careful and go very slowly when you're working around art with a power drill. I have had it happen where I accidentally went through the painting with the power drill, which is not what you want. So this just shows you sort of how it looks on the back. And now we're going to work on the wire. I'm going to be threading the wire through some aluminum crimping sleeves. I think these have made all the difference in making this a super easy and quick process. Essentially, you just loop it through, and you can see it a little bit better when I do the other side. You're going to want to use some pliers to just crimp that sleeve. If you have ridges in your pliers, that's even better. Just make sure you take a little extra time to ensure that that crimping sleeve is completely flattened, because that's going to smash the two wires together and hold it in place. All right, so I'm just pulling the wire completely taut, and then I'm going to clip it about 3 or so inches from where it's going to loop through, just to give me some to work with here. So this is a little bit better angle. You can see you thread it through the crimping sleeve, then through the loop, and then back through the crimping sleeve. I like to pull my wire pretty tight. I think it'll give a little bit either way, so this just makes sure that it's easier to hang and it's easier to measure for somebody who's going to purchase this. So there you go. You can trim off the extra wire if you'd like after this point, but you are ready to go. Well, that's all I have for today. Please subscribe if you haven't already for more tips and tricks for all things art. See you next time.